Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy ginger tea with a little bit of mint. First you're going to take some mint. Yeah, it looks a little bit brown, but don't worry about it. Just pick out the pieces that are green. And ready to go. Yeah, that's enough. Mint has a very strong flavor, so you really don't need to use that much. Next we're just going to have some boiling water. And you're going to put that in there and let that boil for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to take our ginger roots, cut off all the excess skin on the outside, and just cut it up. Alright, pour that in your pot as well and let that just boil for about 10 extra minutes. At this point you can add some honey into it, sweeten it to your liking, and it's ready to go.
Oh no, it's banging though.
Is it sweet like me?
Yeah.